Happy Saturday, everyone, and welcome to another Mech Merlin build stream. I see a couple people online already. Cos MC, Boogie, Dr. Doofin, and Sis for Crummy. Thanks, guys, for joining in. As you can see from the stream title down below, we are building one of the few TKLs I've built on this channel. This is the KBD Fans Epic. No, it's not the Jelly Epic. This is a TKL that's modeled after the Dolch Pack series of boards. So thanks everyone for joining in. This is the Epic 80, still purchasable on KBD Fans, as you can see. This is an in-stock buy for 419 bucks. You've got your choice between a black, a gray, or an E-white. Layouts, couple layouts supported, I guess, here. There we go. And yeah, it's modeled after the Dolch Pack series of boards. Extra foam. Oh yeah, one other thing they sent were the little accent pieces right here. So they've got a few of these here. These are magnets actually, so you've got a green one, a red one, and a blue one right there. Yeah, let's go take a look at what this guy looks like. Okay. Oh, it comes with the daughter board. Oh, interesting. Okay, this is gonna be fun. It's always hit or miss, depending on which way like the ribbon cable goes. So I'll probably have to pay very close attention before we install this. What's this? Oh, gasket. Oh yeah, this is a gasket mount board. Gasket mount TKL, not too bad. Got the feet right there. Comes with a tool. Take the board apart. What is this? This is, I don't even know what this is. Some kind of internal plastic foam of sorts. There we go. Here's the PCB, the Dolch CR. Oh yeah, this was in collaboration with Kerry. Kerry built another, or designed another Dolch-like board. I guess this is a iteration of his design. You look at that, Kerry Works and KBD Fans. Dolch.cr, that's where the daughter board is. Unfortunately, I don't see any ESD protection. Did the daughter board have any ESD protection? Let me look. Nope. No ESD protection. That's unfortunate. Yeah, there's nothing there. It uses an ATmega32U4 microcontroller. Okay. Cool. No in-switch LEDs and no underglow LEDs as well. So pretty generic board. Pretty generic board. Let's go put it in. Oh yeah, a couple of people have been asking me, like, Merlin, what kind of foam do we put between the plate and the PCB just to give it that jelly epic sound? It's this kind of foam. This is like the PE foam that they use. So make sure you get the really thin ones if you ever want to try that mod out. Right, let's put that to the side. And finally, let's take a look at this board. Oh, I see it. Oh, geez. Yeah, that's actually heavier than I thought it would be. Come on, come out. Doesn't come out very easily. Seems to be jammed in there. There we go. Okay. Whew. Oh, hey, the plate is right there. We'll probably need that. I guess we'll do the plate first before we do the actual keyboard. This one has no markings as to what type of plate it is. But no, this is a carbon fiber plate. You can see it right there. Wow, that is a... I think this is similar to the KBD Fans carbon fiber plates that they have for the 60%. It's very Swiss cheesy, if I say so myself. Yeah, not sure how I feel about that. Like that doesn't really give you much support. Well, so hopefully that's fine. Guess we'll see during the build, huh? Guess we'll see during the build. Okay. So it looks like this is going to be a black board, or at least that's what the customer has chosen. Cool plate design. Yeah, it's cool. I don't necessarily know if it's good or not. But here we go. There's the Dolch, or that's the Epic. So I actually have a authentic unit right behind me, which I'm gonna pull out really quick. So yeah, this is the design that it's trying to replicate. See that? This is my Dolch Pack 60, one of the very first customs that I built, which I don't use anymore actually. But yeah, see, it tries to replicate that design with the ridges over here. See? Same kind of deal, but in TKL form factor, and instead of plastic, it's actual aluminum. So yeah, let me put this on the side here. I'll probably continually refer to it as the day goes along. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I can't actually, did this guy have something on the back as well? No, he did not have something on the back. Okay, guess not. Cool, okay. Well, you know, as consistent with KBD fans quality, I already see a slight scratch right there. Anything else I can see? Hmm? Oh, interesting. They replicated the original design as well. So basically, this is how you close the board. You've got 4 screws right here. These screws are also where the feet go. This is exactly the same as the original Dolch Pack design. So in order to take apart the board, you need to peel off the feet. And the more times that you do that, the less sticky it will be. So I'm not sure I like that. Interesting. CLZ CIZ Crummy says I have too many 65s. I think I need a TKL next. Yeah. Now this is a fairly affordable one. For 439 for the E-White variant, 419 I believe for this unit. Oh, I see something else here. Another tiny scratch. But yeah, pretty consistent with KBD fans QCing, just because it was done in collaboration with Carryworks doesn't make it any better. But yeah, let's put this away for now and we can start the build.